and subscribe to Max's Adventures.
Rainy, miserable day, but here comes the bunny train. Is it keeping you dry, buddy?
Yeah.
Oh, look at my setup. My sister has one of these from her races in the car, so yeah, it's pouring, but that's okay. It is what it is. We're gonna have fun, right? Once we get on the train and we don't have to worry about getting wet. Good stuff. We got fancy chairs. Wait for Aunt Titi to come in. Go ahead. Sorry.
Who's sitting there?
Them. I don't know how we're doing. I'm just holding on for it, but.
Are we sitting together?
I hope so.
I'm sitting with Aunt Titi.
All right, Max. Oh, looks like we're starting to move.
We're moving. Yay. I can't take your pants off. I can't take them off.
And here's the little menu.
Here. We're gonna just let them dry on their own. They will dry, okay? What you want? All right, you're getting boys. Cheese plate.
Yeah, I'm getting a cheese plate. What are you getting? I got them. Max, do you want chocolate chip cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give our tickets.
Right here.
Thank you, Nanny.
Hi, Jakey. Here we go. Hello. Hi. Max, you want to take a picture of the Easter Bunny first, and then we'll do Jakey?
We're gonna do just the kids or whole family.
Just the kids. As much as I love the Easter Bunny, it's okay.
Do you want to put Max there so the wheelchair's not in the picture?
It's fine. I don't care. All right. Ready? Max, look at me. Say cheesy bunny, cheesy bunny, cheesy bunny. Easter Bunny, love it. Oh, thank you so much. Max, you want to give high five? High five. Boom. Nice. All right. Well, let's let Jakey get a turn too. Thank you. All right, we got my cheese and crackers and fruit. And Max got some chocolate chip cookies. Here, sit down. There you go, buddy. Make room. Max.
So pretty, and yours. Oh, to be fair, there you go.
Jakey.
We're coming up to the halfway point in a few minutes. Max is just happy to spin his chair the whole time. He got candy from the Easter Bunny too, right?
That's like the new method.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, it's so peppery, Jackie. There's.
I'm giving it to you.
Oh, thank you. So good.
I can see you recording.
Let me see you spin, bud. Ready?
I'm good. I'm not a huge fan of pepper jack.
I thought I felt it, maybe not. I did, I felt it.
As mommy would say, you don't know what's good.
You don't know what I'm doing.
Are you taking pictures or video of me?
A video.
It's video inception. I can take one more. I'm pretty stuffed. I eat a lot of cheese. As much as I love cheese, there is a cheese limit. You do hit a cheese wall eventually. Where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going again.
Hi, Jake. You having fun? Yeah. He's having a good time.
I can't even feel it going.
What?
The train.
Sit down, my man. We gotta be safe, okay? It's like an airplane bathroom. Oh, look. Yeah. Cherry Crest Farm.
There's like a post office and stuff.
Mommy.
And she was in there for like 2 hours. Just hilarious. And then here they had like cards and different wine.
As you're walking across, you have to wait sometimes.
Looks like we're about to pull back into the station. Definitely pulling back into the station.
Jake's in 5th grade.
All right, we're back. Still raining. We're gonna go into the gift shop.
And we're gonna get rain all over us.
No, that's not the goal. Well, we're covered, bud. Well, we're gonna go look at the gift shop for a few minutes. Here we are in the gift shop. Careful.
What is it?
It's an ornament. It's this ornament. I do love a Christmas ornament. Oh, look, Max. Santa's nice list. Put that down. Stop it.
Look, Mommy.
Put it. Don't do that. I know. I think if they had a naughty list one, I would totally get it. How much is it? Only $5.99. How cute. Really cute. You got some gemstones.
Wait.
Wow.
Mommy, over here.
I'm coming. Yeah, that's enough, bud. You've already got something. Oh wow, Max, turn. You could. It's a hand fan. Come here. Here, hold this on me. I'm gonna show you. Hold it. It's recording. Look, ready? Feel that?
Wait,
That's
I want to get that.
What?
It's cool. I want to get it.
No, buddy.
Wait, do it.
No, it's neat, but oh, these pens. Pin and patch set. No,
It's a scam.
it's not a scam.
Look, there's another fan.
Yeah. What's? Oh, that's a. What does that do? I don't know how that one works.
Oh, yeah, I know what
Pick
to
it
do.
up. Put it down. No, I don't think that's it. I don't know.
It's definitely a
Here,
fan.
pick up your rocks, your gems.
Jemmy rocks.
All right. All right. Max is digging into his candy. Did you have fun? Yes. It was too short for him.
No,
No.
I did have fun.
I know you did. And you got your gems. He's gonna put those on the ride home. I know Jakey had fun.
He did not.
Yes, he did. He was small and so big when he came. All right. Say bye.
Bye.